Arrival from Singapore. They've normally been able to pull this up quite quickly. Hoping they don't today. This should be pretty cool. So normally they'd come off this Alpha 2 exit and be turning left about now. Except that the taxiway is closed, so they're going to have to come a little bit closer. Much closer. Keep going. How cool. So close. I am really looking forward to the A380 landing. I did check earlier and looked like Emirates, it was last night, no Emirates, but Singapore was still on track. What a beast. That's just awesome. Welcome Gilberto, Leah, g'day. Danielle, welcome. I think it's even closer here than maybe at Rarotonga. So Seki, yeah, that's why I was wanting a 2-3, because they'll all taxi down here past us, and then we'll get the spool up for the takeoff. Whether on 05, like at the moment, we just get the ones that end up rolling through. Reinhardt saying kerosene shower. I wish I could bottle this. It's, yeah, the smell's pretty incredible. Craig, I'll have to double check on Emirates. Last night it had been cancelled by the looks of it, but maybe it was just a flight radar glitch, so I'll have a look in a minute. We might be able to have a quick squiz now. Got NZ103, 787 operating that one today. That's just popping out down the far end. Yeah, no Emirates on the flight radar today, unfortunately. Got NZ80 from Hong Kong due in a couple of minutes. Also got